My name is Major Jeff McElhaney. I'm in the United States Army National Guard. I served 2 combat tours of duty in Afghanistan. I'm a former Navy pilot by trade, and got out of the Navy, joined the Army National Guard as an intelligence officer. Did 2 tours of active duty. I was wounded on my 2nd tour of duty in Afghanistan, and have been in treatment with the Veterans Administration for the past 4 years, and currently undergoing hyperbaric oxygen treatment here at the clinic that I was fortunate enough to be accepted to.
Have you seen any improvement?
I have, actually, almost immediately. I've had 9 treatments as of yesterday, and basically what the treatment does is it clears my focus, clears my mind. Basically the healing and regeneration internally for me, and it helps with the headaches, of course, as well. And basically I think that it's going to take the entire regimen of 40 treatments to do the trick, but with the almost immediate results, I'm almost certain that this will cure me of my injuries. The clinic here is basically one giant family from the moment that I came in here on the very first day. They accepted me as a patient and were very, very concerned with my health and well-being, and I would say that this is my new family away from home, because I spend so much time here, and I'm so well acquainted with the personnel here, and they have a vested interest in furthering the healing and the health of all the patients here.
How are you feeling now as compared to when you first started?
I feel considerably better. The hyperbaric has increased my overall general health, I think. Had a considerable increase in my focus, clarity of thought, things of that nature. The inabilities that I had just to function day to day were very difficult for me, but since I've started receiving hyperbaric, the ability to focus immediately, quicker in the morning, which is great when I arise. The day-to-day ability to concentrate has increased. I think my overall general health, physically, as far as being active and being able to function and do the things that I was hesitant to do, has increased my overall health considerably as well.
Are you happy with your progress so far?
Absolutely. My progress so far has increased my overall health, the overall clarity of thought that I have, decrease the frequency of my headaches, completely allowed me to eliminate the prescription medication which I take, and I suspect by the time I finish the entire protocol of therapy that I will be 100% in my physical health, my mental health, emotional health, and I'll be able to return to a normal life.
Can you tell us how you're feeling now as compared to when you first began the program?
Sure, absolutely. My overall general health has increased tremendously after completing the entire 40 protocols of treatments over a period of 2 months. I sense now a lot more vitality, clearer memory, less fog, less anxiety, and a lot more ability to focus, to keep sharp, and to think. A definite effect on my memory, which has been positive. And then psychologically, mentally, emotionally, it's been very good for me over these past 2 months. The greatest thing for me has been the decrease in the frequency of headaches. That was my main affliction. That and the post-traumatic stress were the main reasons for me conducting this treatment. And it has decreased the frequency of my headaches tremendously, to the tune of about 80%, a decrease in frequency. So that's been the most positive thing. As I mentioned before, increase in focus, decrease in fog, in decision making, the ability to think ahead, a tremendous increase in my memory, physically, as far as being able to sleep and getting a greater time period of sleep has had a positive and tremendous effect on me.
Now that you've undergone this treatment study program, would you recommend this program for other veterans like yourself suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder?
I would highly recommend this for treatment, not only for veterans, but for civilians as well. I personally believe that it's not just beneficial to just veterans, but to the public at large, both for post-traumatic stress, traumatic brain injury, sleep deprivation, a litany of items that it has improved in my life. So I would absolutely recommend this to the general public, not only just the military. I think that for me it has had a tremendous effect, and I've been off both of my prescription medications completely, and my health and general well-being has improved tremendously, and I would recommend this for anyone who wants to get off their medications.